Hello everyone, welcome back to Craftgenic. In this video, I'm going to make a wall hanger with paper. Okay, let's see how to make these flowers. Cut the square with paper, dimensions as shown here. And fold it as I'm doing here. Now we can cut a petal shape and it will give you a flower with 6 petals. For the next step, we need a sponge and an embossing tool. Press the petals like this to get a 3D look. I'm cutting a small circle with a glitter shade for the middle part of the flower. Okay, let's make some leaves. Get a paper, dimensions as shown here. This step is to get a 3D look for the leaves. Okay, now we need some barbecue sticks. I'm leaving 1 centimeter distance from the edges. And then I'm marking 3 centimeter distance in the barbecue stick. So we need 14 barbecue sticks for this craft and we need to repeat this step for all the sticks. Okay, now we can glue the barbecue sticks as I'm doing here to make the frame. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this. I'm getting a half of a rigid foam ball here and cover it with a green color paper. And now we can paste it to our frame like this. This is for the stem parts. Roll the paper using a barbecue stick and then press with your fingers. Now we can make shapes as we prefer, like this. Okay, now we can paste these stem parts to the frame as we prefer. And then we can add flowers and the leaves we made. Hope you enjoyed our crafting tutorial. So give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for more videos like this.